Alright, we're back on this Eclipse. About to put the front bumper cover on it. That could probably be heated and pulled out, but the bumper was so cheap, I'm just not going to fool with it. So far, what we've done, we've got new rotors and pads on the front. Had to replace some wheel studs and lug nuts. It's got these stupid spacers because the wheels are a GM bolt pattern. But this thing should be really easy to paint. I've put wheel hubs, rotors, pads on the back. Again, a bunch of wheel studs. Done pour 15 under the back. Patched up some places in the wheel wells. But we're about to get started on doing the prep work for painting the car. Hey folks, we've got our front bumper on. I've messed with that hood for a little bit. I think it's just the hood. Just does not line up right in the front, but I'm not going to lose any sleep about it. But anyway, that's about all we got done today. Alright folks, we're back. Deck lid had a little rust in it over on this side, and then in the middle was ate through. I put a piece of metal behind it. Put some short strand Bondo glass filler in it. I cut it down to DA and then put some regular filler over top of it. It's just cheap black spray paint, because I cut to the metal in a bunch of places. Then there was a place in the bumper. It's far from perfect, but it's better than buying a new $250 bumper. But it had a dent and then a big place that was busted out we didn't even see before we bought the car. But anyway, I've got it. Took heat gun, pulled it out, and drilled some holes, put some Bondo glass in it. I believe it'll hold. And then went back over it with regular filler. Seems to be bonding good, so I think it'll be okay. Alright, we'll cut you back on later when I've got more. Alright, we're back on this Eclipse today. You'll have to ignore my dog barking. Started DAing the car down. What I'm using is just palm DA with some 240 grit. I will go back over the car with 320 and then probably wet sand it with 400. May end up putting a coat of sealer over it. I don't know. It depends on how much bare metal I hit. But anyway, it's just a little update. Cut you back on more when I have more to show. Alright, we've got our Eclipse in the garage, giving it its final wipe down. I just used some rubbing alcohol on a microfiber cloth. I've already done the rest of the car. We're getting ready to shoot the black on it. You can see it's pretty slick. I believe that'll be a good base to shoot on. For now, it's ready to tack down and shoot. I'll give you just a quick walk around. We'll be using a single stage urethane. It's a Sherwin-Williams paint. I've never used it. The guy at the local Sherwin-Williams talked it up really good, so hopefully it's good stuff. I'll cut you back on when we start mixing. give a quick walk around here after the paint's dry. See, it's really shiny. Came out pretty slick. There's a little bit of trash in it here and there, but you can expect that from a, I guess you'd call it a home paint job. Unless you're in a $100,000 spray booth, you're gonna get trash in your paint. But today we're gonna get it up on jack stands, pull all the wheels off, and shoot the purple to it. Alright, we'll show you more later. Alright, we're back. We've got the black plastic over top of it. Everything masked off that needs to be masked. Got it wiped down with degreaser, then went back over it with rubbing alcohol. I'll take a tack cloth and go over it, and then we'll turn this thing purple. I'll cut you back on then. Alright folks, we've got quite a bit done on the Eclipse. I may end this video here, this particular video. We got our wheels done them in satin black. Done a little detail work to the black. There's a couple places that I don't like, but I'm not going to worry about it. It looks good enough, as you can see. Redone our molding, have it back on. But all in all, I'll try to look down the car. It came out pretty damn slick to have been painted in this little cramped up garage. Got our headlights cleaned up. I could probably spend a little more time on them, but I'm not going to worry about it. It's a teenager's car. But anyway, I'm going to leave this video series off here, and thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this kind of thing, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.